How to start pharmaceutical manufacturing unit in Pakistan. The Drugs Act, 1976 of Pakistan regulates the import, export, manufacture, storage, distribution, and sale drugs in Pakistan. Types of licenses. License to manufacture by way of formulation. License to manufacture by way of basic manufacture. License to manufacture by way of semi-basic manufacture. License to manufacture by way of repacking. License to manufacture by way of experimental purpose. A pharmaceutical manufacturing unit can possess more than one licenses depending upon the nature of activity being undertaken by the manufacturer. Requirements. Approved site. Layout plan as per current good manufacturing practice scheme. Approved constructed facility. Technical staff that is production in charge and quality in charge. Equipment and machinery for manufacture and quality control. Copy of Pharmaceutical manufacturing sections. A pharmaceutical manufacturing unit is used to manufacture different dosage form. Different dosage form manufacturing requires different machinery and different sections for preventing contamination and following GMP protocols. Use sections that are required in pharmaceutical manufacturing unit is as follow. Tablet capsule manufacturing section. Liquid syrup manufacturing section. Parenteral liquid dry injection section. Ophthalmic eye nasal drop section. Powder section. Inhaler spray section. Surgical medical device section. Suppositories section. Documents for manufacturing license. Application on prescribed firm 1. Pharmaceutical copy of 150,000. Legal status of firm. Premises details including layout plan of the factory. Section-wise equipment and machineries details for manufacture and quality control. Qualification and training of production in charge and quality in charge, and other technical staff for manufacturing and quality control department. List of drugs to be manufactured including name, class of drugs, and dosage form of the drug. Procedure for granting of pharmaceutical manufacturing license in Pakistan. The salient features of the procedure for grant of a license by way of formulation/basic semi-basic repacking are as under. All required documents need to be submitted online on PIRIMS, online portal of Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan. First submit an application Central Licensing Board for establishment of a pharmaceutical unit. Area Federal Inspector of Drug. A field officer of Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan (DRAP) will inspect proposed site if fulfillment of prerequisites documents finds in submitted application. Filed officer will recommend or reject for establishment of pharmaceutical unit as per requirements under Schedule B of the Drugs Licensing, Registering, and Advertising Rules, 1976, framed under the Drugs Act, 1976. Application will be processed to competent authority for site approval. Competent authority will communicate with applicant if site is compile with provisions of rule, otherwise application will be rejected. For approved site, applicant is required to submit layout plan, drawn in line with scheme requirements, etc. If layout plan is found as per scheme requirement, the same is processed for the approval of competent authority. The approval is communicated to the applicant for construction of the facility. After complete construction of unit, applicant has to submit application for grant of drug manufacturing license (DML) on prescribed Form 1 along with necessary documents. If application is fulfill all formalities, then inspection is carried out by constituted panel. If inspection is found to be as per rules and regulations, constituted panel will place report before Central Licensing Board in its meeting. After that, Central Licensing Board passes its order on the recommendations of the panel report. License at Form 2 will be issued in case of approval of drug manufacturing license for 5 years, which is subject to renewal further such time period till suspended or surrendered. The procedural requirements for other types of drug manufacturing licenses are similar as that of the formulation, with some variations of conditions depending upon the type of the license. We hope that this video is informative for you. If yes, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for your time. Welcome.